I was going to get it off camera. I was getting the camera ready, then it went whoosh. It's fired, alright. Jesus. I wanted to get it when he lit it. I wanted to get that freaking explosion. That scared Jessie. She freaking ran. Holy shit. Remnants of after a bad explosion. I wish I got the freaking explosion. It was freaking huge. Bean, take this over.
I went like this.
What do you want Mom for?
Jessie wants to come over, but she's scared.
I'll get Jessie in a few minutes. Here, take over this camera. I'm gonna go help. Here. And hold it right there.
And click?
Nope, don't click it unless I tell you to.
Hands inside.